down south along the Texas coast lies a barrier island rich with history, a place where Cabeza de Vaca once landed. The port of Galveston serves as an entryway to the fourth largest city in the United States. At the Texas Seaport Museum, an opportunity awaits folks of all ages. In exchange for months of hard work and learning, a group of people will emerge with the skills and know-how to sail aboard the Tallship, Elissa.
Ask yourself this: why are you here? Why are you here, and why are you doing this? Why do you want to be part of the crew of this ship? Don't answer all out loud now. A lot of it is for fun, right? And the better we do this, the more fun we're gonna have. And what I would like to see starting to develop here amongst the crew is a sense of pride as a crew, and I would like to see that sort of rubbing off in, or expressing itself in how we operate. Want to see everybody wanting everything to be good. You want to be a sharp, tight-knit crew, want the ship to look good. Now, hypothetically, supposing the captain of the Coast Guard bark Eagle were to show up here, would we want him to look at us and say, yeah, these guys know what they're doing, and they're taking good care of the ship, and they're operating as a tight unit, or they're a bunch of chuckleheads that are just having fun with this big toy, and they really don't know what the hell they're doing? What do you want to be? Okay, now, right now, we are the latter. That's okay, we have potential, but we need to work on it. Little things like just how the deck looks. If you aren't doing anything and you see a bunch of lines laying around in a pile on deck, you should be thinking, that's just wrong. I want these to be coiled, and I want them to be coiled right and looking good. So somebody else who knows what they're doing, not just the public who are like, wow, it's a big pirate ship. I mean, somebody else who sails these ships can look and say, hey, oh, it's good.
And the first year they say it's like drinking out of a fire hose because there's so much information coming in.
I've been with Elissa now, it's my fourth year, and this is my first year that I haven't been in sail training because of my heart acted up. So that's one of the beauties about working on Elissa. They will work with you with your disabilities, will have you.
The second year, you definitely start getting the hang of it.
People you think are going to make it all the way through just stop coming, and people you think, oh man, they'll make one or two classes, and they're here till the end, and they love it, and then they're here for years, and it's awesome.
Renata, how long have you been doing it?
I've been doing it for 10 years.
Well, for me, it's 4 years.
I loved it, so I thought I'd figure volunteer since I got the opportunity, and I'm having a blast. I'm definitely coming back next year.
I'd like to get back to that hypothetical scenario I mentioned where, supposing the captain of the Eagle were to come here and see you guys, that ain't hypothetical, he is coming.
What?
He will be here. Captain Ivan Luke, who's the former captain of the Eagle, is going to be here watching y'all. Make me proud.
Today?
He's a friend of mine. Please. Thank you.
Day sales.
No, not today. One of the day
sales.
sales.
And so the crew of Elissa begins training for months on end. For there is much to learn in preparation for the sails ahead.
To train a completely new group of people every year. They come up, wander off the streets, and they get trained in sailing a square rig ship. They get trained in all the traditions of sailing a ship, and they get the whole feel of the adventure of keeping this ship alive for the next generation. So it's a wonderful opportunity for everybody involved.
3, 2, 6, 8.
Back to Hetzel's eye! On the floor, back to Hetzel's eye. There's so much to learn. You can't learn it all in 1 year or 2 years. If you're somebody like me that's never been on a ship, there's a lot to learn. Just working on the maintenance helps a lot to learn about the ship and learn what different things do.
She's in my soul. She's in my blood. I cannot not do it. She's very well maintained, and I think that's our volunteer crew that does that. Of all the ships, she's the best maintained.
This is the way we bust our rust, bust our rust, bust our rust. This is the way we bust our rust. Below the stern we are.
There's students to retired people to doctors and lawyers and people who've been in the Navy before, and you name it, they're here.
I love it. It's great. Very hard work, but really enjoyed it.
This is my first year.
This is my second year.
This is my 5th year.
This is my 5th year.
This is my 11th year.
The moment has arrived that the crew has been waiting for. It is time for day sails.
We have a lot of kids who come here, and they're really annoying and crazy at the beginning, and they end up becoming good friends. I think that's pretty cool. It's a lot of fun. It's rewarding. You get to learn something.
A lot of hard work, but it's fun. And the people are fantastic.
It's more fun than it is work.
There's work involved, but the best part is just relaxing.
Today was fantastic. Great win. The kids did fantastic. They did a really good job. It's great.
Pretty awesome. It's something I never thought I'd be able to do. So on a square rig ship like this is something I always wanted to do.
And to get her out sailing is giving her back her wings. And that's what I love to do.